Kaladon gejing mang lane gejing pen kre banshna ya ka surok forlin lane kata ka first expressway ka bakot hadu arpsan hajar crore ka project kata banshna ya ka surok na Guwahati sha silshar but yagane ka expressway lane yagane ka surok ka bakot hadu arpsan hajar crore ka badai jongka sorkar Assam la thmu ban penyaj lane ban penshna ya kane ka surok lengba ka state Meghalaya kata da ka bayaj lengba na ka umyam bagi jukot ka barapani ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar Assam ban shna ya kane ka surok kalong ban penlengkot ya ka jingyaj lenti jong ki ipaj ba ha ka ba ki kwa ban lej lane ki nongshong shnong ki basa shapo silshar da ka ba ki yaj lengba ka Meghalaya namar katkum ka khubor lane katkum ka jingyathu jong Chief Minister Himanta Biswas long ba hakini gisngi ka jingjingai na Guwahati Asia silshar kalong hakaba palat hadu kata but de lengba gani ba ukwa ban shina saya kawai pade ka surok ka ba en penlengkot ya ka jingyai lenti jong ki nongshong shnong kata na Guwahati Asia silshar da kaba penduna hadu sau kenta ka jingyai lenti ke jongki but shushuru Chief Minister jong ka Assam u Himanta Biswas ula batai shushuru ba kane ke jing shna ya kane ke surok kalong ban pentikna ya ki nonglej jinglej lane ya ki nonglej nongwan ban poi be tang shisngi kata na Guwahati sha silshar lane na silshar sha Guwahati Shujuru ulaong ba kane ka surok kan dei ka surok forlin ba lengba kane ka surok kan kentiu ya ka khayi pateng bat kumjuru ya ka kamjungo kai hapedeng ka sorkar Assam bat kumjuru ha po ka state Meghalaya baru ula penkut da ka boong ba ka jingshna ya kane ka surok first expressway kalong kumshi benta ban wanra ya ka roi ka par khamtam e hakanong ba Guwahati da ka ba penlut ya kate shilaklur ya kibala demang nakabenta ka development jong ka state Assam hi brokaway baru lembaga ni ka surok wong ba kandon ka jingya dei ka bajan hapedeng ki state ki bamarjan ki badon hapo north east tito mentang ini asngam ya kani ka jingtho jungu ha ka khtin phareng the Assam government has announced plans to construct the state first expressway a rupees of 25,000 crores project that aims to drastically reduce travel time between Guwahati and Silchar. The expressway, which will pass through Umyam, called Brapani, in Meghalaya, is expected to cut the journey to just 4 hours, significantly improving connectivity between Assam's Brahmaputra and Barak valleys. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma described the initiative as a landmark infrastructure development for the state. This expressway will ensure same-day travel between Guwahati and Silchar, greatly enhancing connectivity and economic opportunities, he said. The planned route through Umyam, a popular tourist destination in Meghalaya, is expected to boost trade and tourism between the two states. The 4-lane highway will also provide better industrial access to programs and important hub home to paper mill and other industries. The expressway is part of a larger infrastructure growth initiative under the Advantageous Assam 2.0 Summit in Guwahati, which includes projects worth 1 lakh crores. This initiative aligns with the state broader vision to modernize road networks and strengthen economic ties within the Northeast. Tikane ka dei ka jingthmu jong ka sorkar Assam banwanra ya ka development but khamtame ka jing ya dei ka bajan hapedeng jong artli ki state kata ka Meghalaya bat ka sorkar Assam kublai shibun